English lesson together with Ghosty and with me, Christine. As you can see, I already wear my scarf because it's cold outside. Ihr seht schon, dass ich meinen Schal trage, denn ich komme gerade von draußen und da ist es ganz schön kalt. Wie ihr euch denken könnt, werden wir heute noch einmal die Winteranziehsachen aus der letzten Stunde wiederholen. Aber bevor wir das tun, Ghosty, was machen wir da? Let us start with the hello song. Yes, we start with our hello song.
Hello, 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 how are you? I'm fine, I'm fine, I'm fine, thank you. We are the castle kids. We have fun, we have fun, we have fun all day.
Okay, castle kids, everybody please stand up and grab your scarf, your hat, your gloves, and your coat. Everybody please go and grab your coat, your scarf, your gloves, and your hat, because we want to play a little game. Okay, Castle Kids, ihr sollt alle aufstehen und eure Winteranziehsachen holen. Alles, was wir euch jetzt gezeigt haben. Okay, are you ready? Ghosty, ready? Yes. Okay, Ghosty, please grab my gloves. There you go. Ghosty, this is not a glove. What is this, Castle Kids? Who can tell me what it is? Right, this is my hat. Ghosty, this is my hat. Okay, Ghosty, next try. Please grab my gloves. Aha, my gloves. Castle Kids, please put on your gloves. And now you can put them off again. Okay, now everybody put on your coat. Put on your coat. Okay, this is my coat. And now, last but not least, you can already see it, a scarf. This is my scarf. And you, Castle Kids, please put on your scarf. Everybody put on your scarf. Okay, danke schön, Ghosty. So, hat das bei allen geklappt? Habt ihr jetzt eure Jacke an und den Schal? Und habt ihr auch die Mütze und die Handschuhe geholt und angezogen? So, let's see if you remember all the words. It is time for a little game.
Where is the shoe? Yes, correct. These are shoes. Where is the hat? Yes, correct. This is a hat. Where is the scarf? Well done. This is a scarf. Where is the coat? Yes, correct. This is a coat. Where is the glove? Yes, well done. It's a glove.
Castle Kids, I am very proud of you. You all did a good job. Das habt ihr alle wirklich schon toll gemacht. Deswegen ist es jetzt an der Zeit, zu einem neuen Thema zu kommen. We will now start with a new topic. The new topic is called farm animals. Let's see what you will learn. Bevor der Ghosty gleich seine große Reise auf dem Bauernhof antritt, wollen wir natürlich erstmal ein paar Tiere anschauen. Guckt mal, was der Ghosty mitgebracht hat. Ganz viele Tiere, die auf dem Bauernhof leben. All the animals that live on a farm. So let us now learn the names for farm animals. Ghosty, let's start. Who is this, Ghosty? This is a horse. Well done. This is a horse. Okay, who is this? This is a pig. Yes, this is a pig. Okay, next one. Who is this? This is a duck. Yes, this is a duck. Next animal. Who is this, Ghosty? This is a sheep. Right, this is a sheep. This one is an animal that you all already know. This is a dog. Another animal that you should all know already, a cat. This is a cat. And last but not least, we have a cow. Ghosty, this is a cow. Alright, Castle Kids, here are all the farm animals that we will now see again. Der Ghosty startet jetzt seine Reise mit den Castle Kids und was er auf dem Bauernhof erlebt und wie er da überhaupt hinkommt, das seht ihr jetzt.
Hello, Castle Kids! Today we want to go to the farm. Come and join us. Where is the farm? Ah, look! Here it is. I can see the animals already. There is a cow, a horse, a pig, and a duck.
A dog, a cow, a cat, a pig, a sheep.
Wow, so many animals. But now it's time to say goodbye. Bye-bye, animals. Bye.
Wow, the Castle Kids and Ghosty were flying in a balloon. Isn't that awesome, Ghosty? I know, but I can fly all the time anyways. Ja, das stimmt natürlich. Der Ghosty kann ja sowieso die ganze Zeit fliegen. Für uns ist das natürlich ein bisschen schwieriger. Aber da haben die Castle Kids ja wieder ein Abenteuer erlebt. Nach dieser kleinen Geschichte möchten wir jetzt ein Spiel mit euch spielen. The game is called Let's Spin the Wheel. Aber ihr werdet gleich sehen, was es für ein Spiel ist. Let us spin the wheel, Ghosty, and the Castle Kids have to find out what animal it is. Let's see what the first animal is. Ghosty, have a look. What is it? Ah, it's a pig. Let's spin the wheel again. Ghosty, let's do it. This is a dog. Let's see what comes next. What animal is this? It's a cow. Ghosty, please spin the wheel again. What is this? It's a horse. Okay, one more time. Ghosty, are you excited? Yes! What animal can you see, Ghosty? I can see a cat. Yes, this is a cat. Let's spin the wheel one more time. What animal can you see here? A pig. Right. Good job, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the game and had fun. Alright, that was fun. Ghosty and I think it's time for a little quiz now.
Do you want to play a game? Can you tell me which animals you can hear? That was a cat. This was a sheep. You could hear a pig. This was a cow. That was a dog. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here moo, there moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here oink, there oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there, here woof, there woof, everywhere woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there, here meow, there meow, everywhere meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a mama here and a mama there, here meh, there meh, everywhere meh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Wow, that was nice. I wonder if anybody of you already knew the song before. Ich frage mich gerade, ob einige von euch das Lied schon vorher kannten. Falls ja, hoffe ich, dass ihr alle fleißig mitgesungen habt. Als nächstes geht es um ein kleines Schäfchen. A little sheep who lost his mommy. But you will hear the story in just a second. Have fun!
The poor little sheep is very sad. It has lost his mommy. Can you help the sheep to find its mommy? Are you my mommy? No, I'm a dog. But where is my mommy? Are you my mommy? No, I'm not your mommy. I'm a cow. But where is my mommy? Are you my mommy? No, I'm a horse. But where is my mommy? Are you my mommy? No, I'm a pig. But where is my mommy? Are you my mommy? Yes, I'm your mommy, and you're my little baby. Finally, the baby sheep found its mommy and is very happy now.
The poor little sheep. Ghosty, aren't you happy that he finally found his mommy? Yes, finally the little sheep found his mommy again. Das war ja eine süße Geschichte. Ich glaube, jetzt ist es schon wieder Zeit, Goodbye zu sagen. Wir haben uns sehr gefreut, dass ihr alle wieder dabei wart und fleißig mit dem Ghosty und mit mir Englisch gelernt habt. Heute haben wir auch noch etwas zum Ausmalen. We have something to color in today. Everybody who has the activity book number 1, this is the page that you can color in. Die Kinder, die das Ghosty 1 Heft haben. For those children who have the activity book number 2, this is the page you can color in today. Für die Kinder, die das Ghosty 2 Heft haben, dürfen diese Seite ausmalen. Wir freuen uns schon auf nächste Woche und bis dahin, bye bye, see you next week, bye bye.
Goodbye, 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 Castle Kids. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, Ghosty. We had fun to sing and dance with you. Thank you, yes, I enjoyed it too.